Coming up on this program, we show you how to get connected. Find out how to choose an internet service provider. Discover the newest form of communication, electronic mail.
Ways down and ready to ride. One by one, billion by billion, and holding up half the sky. Raise your hand if you're ready and willing. If you know it's time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time. Time for
She says. Huh. Imagine that. Vicky's lurking. Paisley's twerking. I hope everybody is well today. Sorry for the time change. I was able to be here earlier. And so I did it. That's us. We're doing it. We're doing it. We're doing it. We're doing it. Yeah. We're going back old school, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to watch some first appearances. We're going to get through these. We'll see what we got. What did they do to me or to you? We'll figure it out together. Thank you so much for being here, by the way. I'm very tired. Will be regular schedule for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday in the afternoon. Well, I mean, night for you. It's the afternoon for me, but it'll be the night for some of you. My East Coast peeps, Easty peeps, East Coast peepees? I don't know. I don't think that's appropriate. Maybe don't call them peepees, Paisley. How about that? Don't give us any cheap shoplifters for $20 stuff. I hope not. I fucking hope not. I'm very bright. I'm wearing this dress. It has pockets. Hello, Mr. Jonathan. I hope you are doing well, my friend. I feel like this makes me look a little bit fat, but I'm not exactly fat. I'm a little bit fat. So, whatever. So, you know how they say that in French, Jonathan? Comme ci, comme ça. You say, comment ça va? How are you? Comment ça va? Comme ci, comme ça. I'm comme ci, comme ça. I love that. Comme ci, comme ça. Ça va bien. Ça va mal. Oh, I'm sad. Ça va très bien. I'm very good. What else could I say? Ça va. I don't know any more French. So we've hit my limit. Parlez-vous? Parlez-vous français? Parlez-vous français? Parlez-vous? It's so funny the way that you spelled that, parlez-vous. But it's parlez-vous. Parlez-vous français? No, parlez-vous français? Un peu. Un peu. As a reminder, I did put my daughter into French immersion. Bam, baby. One day we're going to Paris, and I'm going to whip that out. I am going to whip that out. Speaking of whipping it out, Judge, could you whip it out? Oh, no. No, Judge, we can't do... Oh, was that hands happening everywhere? Here, look at this. Hands up, all wrong, hands up.
En este momento voy a leerles el juramento o inocencia de
I appreciate it, guys. Thank you.
Okay.
You talking clerk? Brain clerk.
Brain clerk. Brain clerk.
Clerk. It's clerk.
Je m'appelle Paisley.
Y'all going 5.
Okay, fellas, y'all going 5.
Y'all going 5.
Yeah, put it on camera. Yeah. That just makes sense. We can shit.
I'm sorry, what? Hold on, we gotta go back and
Hey,
listen to
start
this
from
again.
Wait, see?
Y'all going five.
My bad, fellas, y'all going five.
Y'all going five.
Yeah, put it on camera, yeah. Let just say four, like, ain't eating shit. It's okay. Hey, start from Wait, sit, stand where I stand, right here. What y'all want? What's up? What the judge?
What's up? Where the judge at? Oh fuck, I am wearing an orange jumpsuit. Brooklyn, thank you. First of all, the lesson is when you host a court show, you're allowed to wear orange, but when you go to jail or court, you shouldn't. Did he just fucking say that? It is pretty orange. It's like, you know, peachy keen jelly bean. What is this guy talking about? Let's go back a little bit, because I really like how he's gonna say this. What's up? Where's the judge? Where's the judge? It's like, peach. Does it look red on the screen? It's not. It's not.
Hey, start from Wait, sit, stand where I stand, right here. What y'all want? What's up? What the judge had? I'm mentally ill, I'm sorry.
Mr. Clerk, you are charged with loitering and prowling. The bond and
My
that is
name not Clark. That's
okay,
not
Mr.
my
Clerk.
name.
All right, Mr. Clerk, thank you very much. Let me finish, please. You're charged with loitering and prowling. The bond on that is $500. You're charged with criminal trespass. The bond is $1,000. You're also charged with entering an auto. There's a no bond on that. Your bond hearing is scheduled for, give me 1 second, August 22nd. I did review the application you made for court-appointed counsel. I am going to appoint an attorney to present you, and your next court date is August 18th. Thank you, sir.
Sir?
Thank you.
I ate edible flowers today, by the way. Humble brag.
It's all right. Thank you.
My pleasure.
That's all?
All right, so we have next.
I was like, you're kidding me. This is an hour-long thing, and you're gonna cut it down to 8 minutes, ma'am, with me talking? I mean, I can stretch for time. That's an old radio thing, apparently. Stretch. Stretch for time, Paisley. Stretch for time while the judge reads. Okay. Are you ready, Judge? No? Okay. Fair enough. Take your time, lady. Take your time. We got all night. Sort of.
Is the jail still there? Okay.
Dandelions contain latex. Do not eat them if allergic. Just a warning about eating flowers for people that might have an allergy. Well, these were sold as edible flowers. So, what the fuck?
Your Honor, we're ready.
Judge?
Okay.
Did the judge eat some
Good afternoon,
dandelions?
sir. Can you hear me? The jail will need to unmute, please. Okay, thank you very much. Good afternoon, sir. What is your name?
Warren Bird. BYRD.
Is it Anthony Bird? Okay. All right. Good afternoon, Mr. Bird. You are charged with criminal trespass. The bond on that is $1,000. You're charged with simple assault. The bond is $1,000, and you are charged with evading fare at the MARTA station. The bond is $500. Your next court date is August 19th. I have reviewed the application you made for court-appointed counsel, Mr. Byrd. Give me 1 second. Mr. Byrd, are you currently employed, sir? All right, Mr. Byrd, I am going to appoint an attorney to represent you on these charges. Do you wish to keep your court date of August 19th or to waive that court date? All right, sir. I'll put you down. Keep that in. Total bond amount is $2,500. All right, Mr. Byrd. Said the total bond is $2,500. Okay, all right. You take care, sir.
No. I won't have that type of money until the end of the month.
All right, sir. So I did appoint an attorney to represent you. They should be able to assist you with anything that you need with regards to the bond, okay? They should be able to answer any questions for you, all right?
Well, Mr. Bird, let's go.
Go ahead, Mr. Burke. Follow Deputy, Rogers.
My first file. Yeah, first. Go on. Sit. And there.
Good morning. What is your name?
Shania! What did Shania do, ladies and gentlemen? Get it down in the chat. Tell me all of that. What did Shania do? What did Shania do? She looks a little drunk. Wahoo. Doesn't she look a little bit drunk? She looks a little bit drunk. Allegedly, in my opinion. In my opinion. Oh, a consensus around here with the drugs or the DUI. A little bit of shoplifting sprinkled in. A little spritz. What would that charge be, Brooklyn? Parked in a handicap space. You don't know who's handicapped. Don't judge people's... No, I'm just joking. She squished out the filling of all the gas station donuts and refused to pay for them. What a bitch! What a bitch!
Shania.
Acosta.
All right. You are charged of a Schedule 2 substance. The bond in that this afternoon, is $2,500. Your next court date is August 18th. I did review the application you made for a court-appointed attorney. I am going to appoint an attorney to represent you. All right, Mr. Costa, you take care.
Who got that? Jonathan? Drugs? Jesus Christ. Ma'am, are you supposed to be at the juvenile? It was Schedule 2 drugs, Manuel. Schedule 2. I don't know if that's worse than 1. I don't know. Like, I really don't know if, like, 1 is the worst or 3 is the worst. I fucking don't know. I don't know. And they're still quiet? Well, they're in a jail. They're in a jail. They're in a jail. They're in a jail. Oh, and Shane, she's talking about over here. There's colors over here. Like Manuela's red, Beverly's green. Oh, Manuel wrote that earlier. I was like, shit, the chat is so behind. But no, he wrote it again. Woohoo! Chat's not behind, baby. Hi, Beverly. Drugs are bad unless they're good. Okay?
Good morning. What is your name?
Victoria Evans.
All right, Miss Evans. You are charged. I'm sorry, can you repeat your first name?
Yes, Zakaria.
All right, Mr. Kari Evans, you are charged with simple battery. The bond is $1,000. You're all
Simple battery, it it blanked out there. Chuck, hello. Oh, my foot is itchy. Hi, Chuck. Simple battery. Damn, boy.
Also charged with disorderly conduct, the bond is $1,000. Your total bond amount today is $2,000. You are to stay away from Yolanda Gray. I'm sorry, Miss Evans, are you still there?
Yes, I just can't hear because people were talking. Sorry.
All right, Jill. We can't hear, so can you?
I can hear you now, ma'am.
All right, perfect. All right, Miss Evans, let me start over. You are charged with simple battery. The bond on that is $1,000. You're also charged with disorderly conduct. The bond on that is $1,000. Your total bond amount is $2,000. You are to stay away from Yolanda Gray. Your next court date is August 19th. I did approve you for court-appointed counsel. Thank you very much, Ms. Evans. You take care. Good morning. What is your name?
Foster.
All right, Ms. Foster, you are charged with theft by by shoplifting. I'm sorry. The bond on that is $1,500. You are not to return to the Walmart located at 2940 Anvil Block Road, Ellenwood, Georgia. Court date is August 19th. I did review the application you made for court-appointed counsel. I am going to appoint an attorney to represent you on these charges. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, this is an assault. I'm calling this one right now. This is assault. That's my guess, baby. What's your guess? Oh, wahoo, DUI. By the way, don't drink and drive, please. It's terrible. She looks like the principal of a high school that hit a student. Oh, Sashina, I love it. I love it. Probably drugs, actually, Maybell. Maybe you're right. What did I say first? I actually cannot remember. Whatever I said is my guess.
Good morning. What is your name?
Monique Paranda.
Monique.
Paranda. Okay, probably because I'm from out of state. PUR.
Okay. All right, Miss Paranda, you are charged with theft by receiving. The bond on that today is $5,000. Your next court date is August 18th. I am going to review the application you made for court-appointed counsel. Give me 1 second, Miss Paranda. All right, Ms. Paranda, I am going to approve you for court-appointed counsel. Do you have any questions? All right, you take care. Thank you. Good morning. Good afternoon. I'm sorry. What is your name?
Crystal Rowland.
All right, Ms. Rowland, you are charged with criminal trespass, damage to property. The bond is $1,000. You're charged with battery. This is listed as a third or subsequent offense. The bond on that is $1,500. Your total bond is $2,500. You are to stay away from Natalie Morris. Your next court date is August 18th. I have approved you for court-appointed counsel.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good afternoon. What is your name?
Tatiana Tigner.
All right, Ms. Tigger, you are charged today with possession of marijuana with intent to distribute. The bond on that today is $3,500. I did review.
I couldn't hear you. It blinked out.
Okay, let me repeat. Your possession of marijuana with intent to distribute. The bond is $3,500.
$3,500.
Your next court date is August 18th. I did approve you for a court-appointed attorney.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
I need to buy batteries this week, you guys.
Good afternoon. What is your name?
Judge, I told you I need to buy batteries.
Thomas, you are charged with possession of firearm by a convicted felon. The bond on that is $5,000. You're also charged with light reducing material on your window. The bond is $500. Your total bond is $5,500. I did review the application you made for court-appointed counsel. I am going to appoint an attorney to represent you. Your next court date is August 18th. Thank you, ma'am.
Appreciate it.
You're welcome.
No, I was just getting the battery that fell. I didn't fall.
Good afternoon. What is your name?
Oh my goodness, what befell this woman though? Let's just watch
Thank
this.
you,
Hold
ma'am.
on, I'll pause it when it's on her.
You're welcome.
And then we're gonna pick what happened here. What? Prostitution allegedly. That's what Paisley says. Check sales for back to school for batteries. Oh my gosh, thank you, Jonathan. Good reminder. You know what else I need to do? Buy back to school stuff. Yuck! But gotta do what I gotta do to get the kid through school. Anyways, I'm feeling drugs or possession or both. Maybe shoplifting, maybe loitering. Let's find Beverly. She caused an accident while practicing her craft. Fuck, that is funny. Also, hi, Dwight. Welcome.
Good afternoon. What is your name?
Hey, Samantha Jokesh.
All right. Mr. Cash, you're charged with simple battery family violence. The bond is $1,500. You are to stay away from Jeremy Burns, and you are not to return to 4887 Old Dixie Road in Forest Park, Georgia. Ma'am, do you currently have a job?
No.
Okay. Give me 1 second.
Oh, shoot. That's enough.
Right, I am going to approve you for court-appointed counsel. Your next court date, Ms. Chokash, is August 19th.
Thank
Are you
you.
gonna keep that court date?
I guess so.
Okay, all right, Ms. Chokash, you take care.
Thank you.
Yeah. No, yeah, do meditation. No, man.
I can snap with both hands, Shane, but I can only raise my right eyebrow. The other one has been neglected. And so therefore this whole side of my face droops. Stop looking at it.
Good afternoon, what is your name?
Nathan Houston.
All right, Nathaniel Houston.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Houston, you're charged with criminal trespass, damage to property. The bond is $1,000. Give me 1 second, Mr. Houston.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, I didn't hear you, it sounded muffled.
Yeah, I had asked him to hold. This is one of the things we had discussed earlier.
Yes, I'm still waiting on a response.
Okay, all right, deputy at the jail,
Yes, Sean?
I'm going to ask that we hold Mr. Houston until the end. I needed some clarification from the arresting officer with regards to this warrant.
Okay. No, that was last name. Houston. Okay, Mr. Houston. Okay. We'll go last.
Okay, thank you.
Is that what you mean? That one, or I have a
Good
very
afternoon,
big
what is your
tongue.
name?
Randall Hausen.
If I stuck out my whole tongue, you'd probably all be disgusted because it's a terribly large tongue with a lot of surface area for licking. Oops.
I will be.
You are hopeful.
Yes, ma'am.
You're charged with possession of Schedule 1 substance. The bond on that is $2,500. You're also charged with possession of a firearm through the commission of a felony. The bond on that is $5,000. Your total bond is $7,500. Your next court date, sir, is August 18th. Per the information you provided on the court-appointed application, sir, you do not qualify for court-appointed counsel.
Correct.
All right, sir. Do you have any questions for me? All right, you take care.
Thank you. Where am I going back to?
Welcome, Alex. We have Sunday Court Watchers Anonymous most weekends.
Good afternoon. What is your name?
Good afternoon, Shane Kimball.
All right, Mr. Kimball, you are charged with defective headlights. The bond is $200. A red light violation, the bond is also $200. And fleeing from a law enforcement officer, the bond is $2,500. I did review the application you made for court-appointed counsel. Sir, are you currently employed?
Yes.
All right, and approximately how much do you make per month?
It was breaking up.
How much you
Approximately
make?
how much do you make per month?
About 25 K. Oh, you said per month. Probably 2,200.
Okay, and do you have any children?
No,
Okay, and approximately how much is your rent or mortgage?
555.
Okay, all right, Ms. Kimball, I'm gonna go ahead and appoint.
$555 for rent? Sir, can I move in? Oh my God, Adam. Also, you guys, my tongue is big. It is not long. There's a difference. It's like very large, but it's not long. 4 inches is fine. Holy fucking shit. My rent is $1,500 a month. Jesus Lord. Ooh. But yes, I can twirl my tongue like this, but I can't quite touch it, but it's very big. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
An attorney to represent you on these charges. Again, your next court date is August 18th, and the total bond amount is $2,900. All right, sir.
What's the next steps to get that settled? Like, do I get any phone calls at all?
Yes, the jail should assist you with making your phone call, and then you can speak with them with regards to paying this bond.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Also, if you didn't know, I'm on a Just Water January or July, which means that
Good afternoon. What is your name, sir?
Right.
I'm so sorry, you broke up. Can you repeat that for me, please?
My name is Charles Johnson.
Mr.
Charles
Johnson, you're
Johnson.
charged
Oh,
with-
we have a Johnson. No, but what that means is that I'm drinking sugar-free shit. I think it's making my tongue white. Oh my gosh. Seriously though, seriously, my tongue is huge. It's actually a skill. Don't worry, nobody complains. Nobody's like, damn girl, your tongue is so big. It was able to wrap itself around my...
Robbery. The bond amount on that today is $5,000. Per the information you provided on the court-appointed application, sir, you do not qualify for court-appointed services. Your next court date is, however, August 18th. And give me 1 second, Mr. Johnson. I'd like to ask here. Please give me 1 second.
Bond is not what you need. Okay, thank you. They'll call you faster.
Give me 1 second, sir.
I just want all of you to remember that ostensibly none of you are in jail tonight. So you can all do something that Charles
He's
can't.
also known as Dupree.
He's
I'm
also
looking
known as
for the,
what?
I'm looking for some information on the committal docs to add to the, to inform him of.
All I was trying to point out is that if you want to cook dinner
1
tonight
second, sir.
naked to Italian music while drinking an Aperol Spritz, you can do that. You could. You could.
All right, sir, you are also to stay away from Taisha Owens. All right, and that is it. So let me recap. You're charged with robbery. The bond is $5,000. You are to stay away from Taisha Owens. You do not qualify for court-appointed services, but your next court date for the preliminary hearing is August 8th. Do you have any questions, sir?
No, ma'am.
All right, thank you very much.
Good
Afternoon, what is your name?
Hey, Loggins.
You are charged with obstruction or hindering a 911 call. The bond is $1,000. You're charged with criminal trespass. The bond is $1,000. Your total bond is $2,000. Your next court date is August 19th. I did approve you for court-appointed counsel. Do you have any questions, or would you like to keep or waive the probable cause date?
No, ma'am.
You're gonna keep the date?
I can't hear you. Say it again.
You're gonna keep the hearing date for the probable cause hearing.
No, ma'am.
You're gonna waive it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. I have you down as waiving. Thank you.
Hey, thank you.
Be sure that Mr. Loggins signs the waiver.
Yeah, I'm gonna let him know. All right, what's your name?
I mean, Miller.
All right, Mr. Miller, you're charged for hearing a firefighter. The bond on that is $1,500.
Hold on, what? What did she just fucking say? Also, when he walked in here, he made me rub my face, Mac. And also, Drunk Beaver Productions in the house. You guys, I love you all so much. Thanks for being here with me. This is my Friday night. What did he do to a firefighter? That's what I'm asking, Alex. That's what I'm asking. A better YouTuber than I would already know the answer, but me, I gotta go back, baby. I don't got no guys in the truck who give a fuck.
Hey, thank you.
Be sure that Mr. Loggins signs the waiver.
Yeah, I'm gonna let him know. All right, what's your name?
I mean, Miller.
All right, Mr. Miller, you're charged for hearing a firefighter. The bond on that is $1,500. You're also charged with theft by taking the bond of $2,000. And you're charged with giving a false name or date of birth to law enforcement. The bond is $1,000. I did review the application you made for court-appointed counsel. I am going to appoint an attorney to represent you. Your next court date is August 18th. The total bond amount is,
when was the next court date?
it's August 18th.
Okay.
Give me 1 second, sir. Your total bond amount today is $4,500. Right? Thank you, sir.
Let's start that.
It might have
Good
been
afternoon, what's your
interference
name?
with a firefighter.
Mr. Moody, you're charged with an expired tag. Charge is $200. Driving on a suspended license. The bond is $500. For obstruction of a law enforcement officer, the bond is $1,000. And possession of a firearm during the commission of a crime, the bond is $5,000. Give me 1 second, I'll give you your total bond amount.
Your Honor,
Yes, ma'am.
he has another charge violation of Georgia Controlled Substance Act.
All right. Give me 1
I
second.
believe it was on a separate,
All right, sir. Okay, I see. Okay,
yeah.
I cannot see that. Okay. All right, Mr. Moody. So you are charged with driving with an expired tag, driving while your license is suspended, possessing of marijuana less than an ounce, and obstruction, and also possession of a firearm during the commission of a crime. For the suspension tag, the bond is 200. For the driving unsuspended, it's 500. For the obstruction charge, it's 1,000. For the firearm charge, it's 5,000. And for the VGSA, the possession of marijuana charge is going to be 1,500. Give me one moment, and I'll give you the total amount. The total bond amount today is $8,200. Your next court date is August 18th. I am going to approve you for court-appointed counsel. Do you have any questions for me, sir?
No, ma'am.
All right, you take care.
Monitor.
Good afternoon. What's your name, sir?
Travion Richardson.
Sorry, I have two computers going at once. Terrible idea. What did he do? Get your guesses in the chat. Big boy up. And why are people driving dirty with their expired tags? Like, at the very least, if you're gonna drive dirty, make sure that you got fucking insurance, your headlights fixed, go the speed limit. Right? Is that not right? I mean, it just makes sense to me. Why on earth would you be driving dirty and dumb? That's just dumb. I never understood that.
All right, Mr. Richardson. Give me 1 second.
All right. Can I say something before we start?
How about
Yes.
no?
Who's this?
Oh, show,
This is
no.
Travion Richardson.
Okay, no, sir.
Oh.
I thought it was jail. All right,
no.
Deputy,
Yes, ma'am.
you hold Mr. Richardson as well. I had an issue with this warrant, and we're trying to contact the officer.
It's what? What happened? What's happening?
All right. Good afternoon. What's your name?
Christopher Stone.
All right, Mr. Stone, you are charged with battery. The bond is 1,500. You're also charged with cruelty in the third degree. The bond is also $1,500. Give me 1 second. Let me verify this information. Sir, it looks like you were on probation, placed on probation this year, January the 17th.
Yes, ma'am. I just got put over.
Okay, all right. So,
This case was old, 2020.
okay, I understand. I do see where this was an older warrant.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, sir. The bond today is gonna be 3,000
These two, they asked for something.
total. You are to stay away from Carmen, CACERES, and you are not to return to 1799 Walker Avenue, apartment 1 in College Park, Georgia.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you.
All right.
All right, sir, please remind me of your name.
Nathaniel Houston.
All right, Mr. Houston, give me 1 second, okay? Thank you.
How's it for?
Elevator 2 and 4. They're gonna have 2 and 4 on it. That's all they're gonna, I mean, I could be so good. Us black, I gotta stick it up.
What is he saying? Also, yes, I've set up the redirect over to KTZ tonight, starting soon, ladies and gentlemen. When we end here, you will be redirected there. Don't fret, don't worry. Saying worry makes me want curry. How weird is that? How weird is that? Probably not that weird. What are you having for dinner? Is it asparagus spears? was just trying to think of something that rhymed. Actually, I saw purple cauliflower today. It looked very purple, like Adam's name over here. Very purple indeed. Oh fuck, do they come back? Oh,
Okay, I need clarity.
Hold on, Judge. Glad I skipped ahead there. Let's see what happens before we say goodbye for the evening.
All right,
And I go make
Bill?
my dinner. What?
Hey there, Mr. Houston. So I'm going to continue your case. So our next court date is on Monday. I need clarification on the warrants. So my hope is that on Monday I will have that clarification. So whoever the judge is can address your issue of bond. As you know, you're charged with criminal trespass and criminal damage to property as a family violence offense. Okay? All right, so we'll address that on Monday. All right.
Well, was he even there? Did he even hear her? Sir? Oh, you're
All
so
right,
tall.
Mr. Richardson, you are charged here as listed. We're trying to clarify the specific charge. What I'm going to do is I need to get clarifications on this to see whether or not this is standing or this is going to move forward as charged, okay? So unfortunately, I'm going to have to continue your case to Monday, all right? So on Monday, we should have that clarification, okay? All right, Mr. Richardson, you take good care. Thank you.
Okay, that's it, Your Honor.
Yes, I need to have the waiver sent over for, I'll let you know in a minute. It was for Mr. Loggins. He's waiving his first term. Okay,
Yeah, we're about to send it up now.
all right.
You
So
have
these
a
are
good day.
cases that dismissal Dan would have fucking dismissed, by the way. Just so you guys understand, if you don't know what we're talking about, a number of years ago, there was a magistrate named Dismissal, well, we named him Dismissal Dan because he would have sent the Big D flying into these cases where the paperwork is not correct. But it looks like newbie judge over here is just letting the police be lackadaisical and fucking shite with their paperwork, apparently. You guys, I love you so much. Thank you for being here. We'll be back tomorrow. We're going to do 2 shows tomorrow. One, I don't know when, though. You'll have to just watch out. You just gotta watch out for it. But definitely one in the evening. I'm not sure if there'll be 2 in the evening or 1 in the day, 1 in the night. I just don't know. He actually has like an Instagram career, Cellulite Yoga Pants Dismissal Dan, and he runs a private practice. I've checked into it. I was like, did he die? I would be really sad about that, but he didn't, I don't think. Anyways, you guys, Sashina, good luck rescheduling your thing. Guys, I hope you have a great rest of your evening. Do me a favor, remember that I love you, and I'm proud of you, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.
Ways down and ready to ride.